cloud computing in Vietnam, and the interest of the market to cloud computing is increased at a very high rate. However, the awareness of clients and of the market is different from client to client. So I believe that Microsoft's cloud computing workshop today will bring about a lot of useful information to local audience to understand and to apply the cloud services into the environment in a most effective way. I believe that the technology in the world normally develop very fast in the world. However, we normally lag behind in application of new technologies in the local market. Back to the market, back to the questions on FPT's experience on utilizations and providing cloud services to the market. I believe that the Microsoft cloud services are very familiar services. For example, Microsoft has a number of products, including the Office Productivity's Windows operating system, Exchange, SharePoint products, which have been very familiar with the local users, and FPT itself has been using these products for quite a long time, and we've been providing these products and software to the local market. And based on our collaboration with Microsoft, we see that the products and software are very user-friendly. And from the service provider, we see that these products and software are very easy to implement. It helps to save a lot of efforts and cost for FPT to implement the solution to the market. In addition to that, I believe that Microsoft has a end-to-end product range from virtualization software to operating systems, database systems, and enterprise and business softwares. It means that Microsoft has an end-to-end product range to meet every demand on the market. So upon collaborating with Microsoft, we have some big advantages of having a complete range of products and the easy-to-use features of Microsoft products and softwares. Another point to note is that I would like to inform you that FPT has just been recognized as one of the company's gold competency partners in terms of virtualizations for Microsoft. Xin chúc mừng FPT về cái việc là đã được công nhận là đối tác vàng. Hôm nay thì anh cũng đã đưa ra một vài cái công bố về quan hệ giữa FPT và Microsoft. Anh có thể chi tiết hóa được không?
Ông Andy có hỏi tôi về
the question is some announcement from FPT regarding the cloud computing initiative between Microsoft and FPT. There are a number of announcements I would like to make. Firstly, I would like to inform you that in Mr. Tuan's presentations, he mentioned that in the second half of 2011, we are going to provide commercially some of the services with the support from Microsoft, including Exchange Online, SharePoint Online, and Link Online in the second half of the year. After the pilot period, I hope that by the end of the year we are able to provide commercially the services. In addition to that, we are hoping that we will be able to provide different service model, including infrastructure as a service and our own developed software, including the distribution channel software. By the end of the year or by the beginning of next year. In addition to that, FPT is also provide some special software for clients in Vietnam, including the e-government softwares. I hope that with the cloud computing infrastructures, the cloud computing software will be utilized not only in the big urban areas but also in the rural and isolated areas. We are also provide e-tax, e-customs, e-hospital or e-clinic to the market. Those software have been deployed locally in organizations here in Vietnam. However, in the future, with the availability of the infrastructures, cloud computing infrastructures, we are providing online packages for the local customers. And those are the announcements I would like to make. Another announcement I would like to make is that FPT has been setting up our own cloud computing vision through 2015, and within our vision we see that the cloud computing strategy is one of the very key strategies for FPT. We are aiming at providing services to the citizens, to the enterprises and government agencies in Vietnam through the new platform, and we believe that the capabilities of cloud computing will support us with providing public services to the rural and isolated areas in Vietnam more quickly and efficiently. Based on the visions, we have devised a specific programs approved by the management of the group to implement in Vietnam. The programs is making use of every strengths and advantages of our member company, including FPT Telecom, who is providing telecommunication services, FPTIS, who is doing system integration services, including the clients in government sectors. We have FPTIS, FPT Software, FPT University, and FPT Real Estate. In our strategy, we are focusing on 5 areas. Firstly, it is on the telecommunication infrastructures development undertaken by FPT Telecom. We are also focused on building up data centers. In addition to what we have nowadays, these data centers will provide private clouds and public cloud services. Private cloud is for our own internal use, and public cloud is for public use. We are also providing services to big customers, including the government agencies, to build up their own private clouds to help them to transform their applications and services from local environment to cloud environment. It is the second point. The third point is that we are going to provide online services. As Mr. Tuan's presentation, we are going to provide Office 365 services and other SaaS services. For the individual consumers, we are going to provide services on the mobile phones and mobile devices for them to access the social networking sites. The fourth one is for the educational and academic institutions. We are going to provide FPT University with expertise on cloud computing to build up the local human resource. And the last one is for FPT Real Estate. FPT is now assigned to build up a number of high technology parks and new towns. With the support from cloud computing, we hope that we will be able to provide services to the tenants in the high technology parks and new towns quickly and efficiently. In order to do that, we need to have some initial investment, and the top leaders from the group are very committed to invest millions of dollars to undertake and to follow our cloud computing journey, and we also need to be reliant on our partners, and Microsoft is one of them, to help us to be successful on the cloud journeys. We are going to provide Microsoft products and software on the cloud environment to attract potential customers in Vietnam. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Rims, if I can
Rims.
I can't think straight when I'm I've got pain noise in my ear. Can I just ask you about
Ông Rims có thể
you come from Microsoft Corporation.
Chia sẻ thêm một chút, bởi vì ông Rim đến từ trụ sở của Microsoft tại Redmond ở Mỹ. Thì khi mà ông đi đến các cái vùng miền khác nhau trên thế giới và làm việc với các ngành kinh tế khác nhau, thì ông đã nhìn thấy có cái tốc độ ứng dụng điện toán đám mây khác nhau. Thì ông chia sẻ một chút về cái vấn đề này được không? Tôi xin chia sẻ một số vấn đề. Chúng tôi thấy rằng là có rất nhiều công ty đang sử dụng hoạt động cộng tác collaboration rất là mạnh mẽ, cả ở trong nội bộ cũng như là với bên ngoài. Họ sử dụng những cái mô hình tư khoán outsourcing như là Office 365, và có rất là khách hàng lớn đang ứng dụng cái lĩnh vực này. Một lĩnh vực khác đó là các cơ quan chính phủ thì cũng đang sở hữu rất là nhiều những cái dữ liệu quan trọng của công dân, và đặc biệt là chính quyền của Tổng thống Obama của Mỹ thì cũng đang khuyến khích cái việc là sử dụng những cái nền tảng điện toán hiệu quả hơn để mà xử lý và lưu trữ những cái dữ liệu của công dân. Chúng tôi thì cũng có những các cái dự án rất là lớn